So as part of the R2M program, one of the most important things was going through the customer and ecosystem discovery process. So during that process, we conducted nominally about 20 interviews on key stakeholders that are in the industry, and we learned a lot of things. And I would say, as a professor, we like to talk a lot, and we have the opportunity to talk a lot. What the customer discovery process does is it enables us to listen and to learn about what key problems are out there. Because at the end of the day, the technology, so I came from industry, and the technology that we want to develop, we want to see it commercially adopted. We want it to be making a difference. I often think about the land-grant mission for the university. It's teaching, service, and outreach. And the outreach portion is taking things that we've learned and putting it into practice. And what better way to put it into practice is to have somebody actually purchase and buy the technology that we've developed. But the only way that people will do that is if we bring some value and solve a particular problem. So, I'm an engineer. Problem solving's in my blood. So I like to hear about problems and to use my creative juices to come up with unique solutions to solve them. And it's hard to come up with a solution if you don't listen. And so that's what the customer discovery process really did for us. For example, one of the things that we learned when we went out is that not only are there technological and cost barriers, but there's also social acceptance barriers for the technology that currently exist in the market. And so we've been using that information to change our pitch to both investors as well as government funders, and it's been successful. We've got some follow-on funding, for example, from the US Navy to continue to do that work. And I think without learning the skills to listen to what the problems really are, we'll just be stuck with technology in the lab that doesn't get out and make a difference.